for being here. We're here to launch our matte primer. It's called Extra Matte. Enjoy yourselves. We hope you guys have the best time here. We really do thank you so much for coming. Here's to a really good next 2.5 days.
Really love it when you act that way. Some things will never change. And in the evening, when you're lying by my side, oh how you sweet loving, it always knocks me.
Good morning. We're in beautiful Jamaica. We're at the Golden Eye Resort. Desi's getting her hair braided right now. It's a good way to wake up, nice and pampered, huh?
I told them to snatch me all the way back. Like I don't want to be able to blink, you know?
Do you want to do a little introduction for people that don't know who you are?
Drum roll. My name is Sebastian. He goes by the name of SP, aka Stephen Perkins, aka El Gallo Blanco.
El Gallo Blanco!
You like that one?
I like that one.
You like that one? Dang, those are the new,
These are the new ones.
The new ones, right?
New ones, yeah. Sold
Sick.
out.
I didn't get any. Sick.
Yeah. PR at home.
Okay.
Maybe when you get back.
I got Karen here with me. I'm so happy that her and I are both late. I'm not the only one.
We're being a little extra with our chanclas.
Yeah. We're wearing a little kitten heel. Nothing too crazy. Oh, hey.
What is that?
Katie in her natural habitat.
Hey, where's that?
I'm Danny, and I'm going to be giving you a little bit of history on the coastline as we do our little tour, okay? Yeah, man.
Vibes through the woods. It was all to the good. Wishing somebody would, but the feeling keeps slipping away. I just get caught up in the days of yesterday. Yesterday. They say yesterday. Ooh, used to be so far away. Ooh, remember when they used.
We went on a boat ride, which you guys saw, and now we just headed to lunch. So pretty out here.
Used to be so far away. Remember when they used to say, don't waste time or it'll slip away. Don't let it slip away. Ooh, don't let it slip away. No. Yesterday.
Hey girls. Highlight poppin', boomin', yes.
This shot is all courtesy of the Golden Eye.
Oh, come on. I gotta take it right now?
No, he kind of scared. Oh!
You weren't, oh, he tried to take it like a G and then he couldn't handle
I did
it.
take it like a G.
Tell me, is it watered? Is it watered
This
down?
one is not watered down.
Uh-oh, Katie.
That's why I took it.
Katie, it's not watered down. Just in case. Santa Barbara.
Last one. Save the best for last.
Do it, John. John, right here.
So this right here is an Asian herb tree. This is called a pimento. So what they do is, this one is very young right now. So normally what they do is, they wait until they're a bit like bigger. They pick it, sun it, dry it, and mash it. They put this in literally everything out here. Every single thing you can think of.
And what's it do?
This is natural, pure, and rich. The pimento. It's hard to the jerk chicken. The jerk chicken is one of Jamaica's most popular thing to eat. The jerk pork, fish, whatever you could think of. The salad, the soup, and that makes it a lot stronger than you're smoking it. So this is the pimento. This is Jamaica's national herb.
Wow.
I thought you were gonna say like it makes you hallucinate.
Yeah, do you smoke it?
I thought that's what you were gonna say.
We smoke it, whatever, not literally smoke. Like you smoke it within the herb.
He has to make that clear for me.
Yeah, man.
All right, yeah, man, yeah, man.
Salud.
Salud.
Desi, can you hold this real quick?
Yes, Katie. Slay that water. Show that water who's boss. Show that water who you're made of. Oh my God. He's gonna get us kicked off the resort.
Smells so good.
Karen, do you...
You didn't see that, right?
He's okay.
I didn't see that. You think we're gonna be the only ones there right now?
I think we're gonna be the first ones and the only ones. You see anyone else?
No.
Katie's getting after it right now.
She got ready.
I didn't even have to redo my makeup.
I didn't do anything.
It was fucking fantastic.
Because it was extra matte, wasn't it?
It was, I'm like, my nose really did hold up throughout the day.
Morning! What's up? Just getting ready. I was doing a little IG story. Just going for the natural look today, makeup wise. Okay, very natural. Let me show you what I use. One moment. My chapstick, concealer. I started with sunblock. I used the Lancome. This is the Soleil bronzer one because it like gives your face a really nice tan. I didn't realize it was a bronzer one the first time I used it, and after I put it on I was like, whoa, why does my face look so tan? And then I read the label, so I probably should read the label before, but I loved it. So I used that sunblock. Then around my T-zone, I used the Erborian Extra Matte Ultra Mattifying Primer. They brought us to Jamaica, I'm sure, because it is humid AF outside. And this is like, really worked really well. I don't like to be matte all over my face, so I just put it in my T-zone, and I swear my nose was not like super oily yesterday. And then I used the CC cream, Erborian as well, and this one, you can apply it like a moisturizer, but I like to use this It Cosmetics buffing brush to buff in creams especially. So I used this, and it comes out white at first, which at first you're like, wait, what the hell? But it actually transforms into the shade of your skin tone. So you apply it, and then it blends in. So I feel like it did, because I can't really see any traces of it, and it's also really luminous. So I like that, because I like to look luminous. So I applied that, very, very light, and then I used concealer. This is the NARS one to spot conceal, because, you know, this one is here to stay. And then chapstick. This is like one I've been loving. It's Bobbi Brown Extra Lip Tint, but it's not really a tint. It's just clear. And that's it. Honey, will you say this is like the fastest I've ever gotten ready?
I've never seen her get ready that fast.
14 minutes. I'm not even going to say round up to 15, because that is not even fair.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you, thank you.
We might actually make the sunset.
Perhaps.
Perhaps.
Like my outfit? It's my outfit.
Dang, show us, Desi. Walk it off. Spin it. Give us a twirl. Those are cool sunglasses.
Thank you. Get them at keyaustralia.com. This is not an ad.
That was an ad.
Baby, I really love it when you call my name, early morning when the sun arrives. Yeah, your sweet loving, it always pulls me in, 'cause I really know that you love me too. Yes, I do. I know this much is true. Oh, baby, so now I love you even more.
It's dinner time.
I look roasted right now.
Try to school you. We have the minds to live. You, and they say only.
Oh my god, I'm so white. Did I lose all my tan already? Oh hell no. Oh, maybe if I stand in the shade. Nope. Hella white. You got my exposure
You got
set
your
to Steven.
exposures.
I was like, that's not me. We're leaving Jamaica.
That's it. One last
It
coconut
was
for the
so
road.
quick. It was like we got here and now we're leaving.
I don't know where the vlog is gonna end up, so.
We'll see what happens. We're off to Miami next.
Oh man.
I don't know if we're gonna vlog there.
I don't think
I
so.
don't think so. It's such a fast trip. Thank you.
Appreciate
you.
that.
Oh. Are you ready?
Alright, well guys.
We'll talk later. Adios. Bye, Jamaica. Yaman. That's what they want me to say. I'm not good at it.
Bye, Jamaica. I'm looking for places in LA for jerk chicken already.
We're yelling it.
Yeah. Already missed the food.
Desi, Katie, come on, we're gonna be late for lunch. Come on, girls, let's go. Let's go to lunch. Come on, Katie. Come on, Desi.
Stop following me! But like, right from the...
Yeah, man.
You guys just made a baby, I think.
Is it?
No protection, nothing.
Nothing. Raw dog.
Really, John?
Wow, John, you're gonna knock me for a shot like that? Wow.
And it wasn't even like a little bit. It was the whole shot.
Yeah. We can all give a little bit of our... Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa centro, pa dentro. Pa dentro! There's music in my head, and it's not really out here, but I hear it in my head.
It's almost as beautiful as you. Katie, you want to end my vlog right now too?
Out of here.
Wanted to make sure I jumped off one thing before this vlog ends, so